We're going to start off today by checking in with the experts at Lazy Lawn.
Hi Mark and Mandy, it's Bran here from Lazy Lawn. I just want to tell you about an awesome alternative to natural grass. Lazy Lawn is artificial grass which is used to replace natural grass. It's completely maintenance free. You don't have to worry about cutting it, watering it, or dealing with pesky weeds. It's made of polypropylene and polyethylene. Basically, you cannot stain or damage this grass at all. It's the same technology that's used on professional sports fields, and we've brought it into the residential space. Our process is rather simple, but it's a lot of hard work. We're gonna dig out your existing natural grass lawn to a depth of about 3 to 4 inches. We're gonna add a high-density weed barrier, so you'll never have to worry about weeds. And then we're gonna fill it with 3 to 4 inches of high-performance bedding. It's essentially a rock that will allow the area to drain while being compacted with a hard surface. After the installation is complete and the glue is dry, we're gonna add EnviroFill into the grass. EnviroFill ensures no pet odors come, also prevents mold and mildew that might grow into the lawn over time. Now that your Lazy Lawn's installed, it's gonna last you 15 to 20 years. You're not gonna have to worry about your pets coming back into the home with mud on their paws. You're not gonna have to worry about your kids having grass stains on their clothes from playing in the backyard. You can lie on the grass, you can play on the grass, you can do whatever you can do on natural grass, except you're not gonna have to worry about mud and stains. It dries very quickly after rainfall because of our drainable base. It's virtually maintenance free, and of course you don't have to cut it or water it, and no more pesky weeds. Golfers are always looking to take some strokes off their game, and they know where that starts. It starts on the putting green. With Lazy Lawn, we can design and build your customized putting green in your very own backyard. It's great fun for the whole family, and of course, you're gonna take some strokes off your game. So for high traffic areas, we recommend one of our shorter blade models. Shorter blades are more resilient to excessive foot traffic. We also have various athletic turfs that are used in indoor facilities that can be used in high traffic areas, so you'll get minimal wear and tear over time. You'll want to get a blower or a rake to rake off any leaves off the top. Should it get dusty or dirty, just take a garden hose to it and give it a good old-fashioned wash. So Mark and Mandy, if you're tired of cutting your lawn, watering your lawn, and dealing with those weeds, perhaps a Lazy Lawn is just right for you.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.